Hi Enibos! Welcome back to my channel. If you still don't know me, let me introduce myself. I'm Ennibo Ville. And for today's video, I would like to share something that I really would like to do for a very long time, though I think this is just not really cool for you, but for me, I would like to start something about art or science related maybe for this channel. So for today's video, I would like to make elephant toothpaste. To make this elephant toothpaste, first we're going to need hydrogen peroxide. So this one is only 3% of hydrogen peroxide. So for next, we have dishwashing liquid. Next, we're gonna use warm water. I'm going to use paint also. So you can use food dye, but for me, I saw this in my cabinet. I think it's okay to use this. So I'm fine with this. You can use anything for mixing also. So can you see, like, I feel like I'm a beauty guru. Just kidding. Let's start. First, I'm going to use empty bottle. Shout out to MP Light's bottle. Now I'm going to pour the 3% solution of hydrogen peroxide. Then I'm going to pour the dishwashing liquid. This is 1 teaspoon. Yes, that's 1 teaspoon. And then I'm going to use the color orange for it. I just want to use color orange. Then 3 teaspoons of water. Then I will add 1 teaspoon of yeast also. So the yeast is our catalyst. So catalyst speeds up the reaction. Shake, 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 shake. Then here, let's just pour it. There. Oh, there. Okay, so I was expecting that this will explode. It's going to destroy my house. But I was kind of disappointed with the result. Yes! So there, I just keep it and cut the video. So now it's very slow, so I thought maybe I should cheat. Okay, so this time I shake this so that the concentration will be mixed very well. Now you can see, oh, it's rising up. Oh, this is becoming really cool. Nope, I speed up the video 2 times faster. Okay, so the bubbles is going out there. So, and you can see, oh, it's really cool now. It's really cool, but in actual, it's very slow. Yes. There, as you can see, oh, it's becoming faster. Oh, it's becoming cooler. Now I am speeding up the video 3 times faster. So that's why it's kind of cool. That's the tea, honey. And also, if you're getting bored and you don't want to waste time, skip to 6.15. There you can see the final result, or the maybe kind of perfect elephant toothpaste. So I think this was a fail because I thought I've used the right amount. Then I realized that, oh, I've used the lower amount of hydrogen peroxide concentration, and also I used little amount of yeast. Now I thought, oh, maybe let's increase the concentration of hydrogen peroxide into 6%. Then I'll just use the same amount of yeast. Here I'm still adding the dishwashing liquid. And then I'm going to use purple color because we love purple dinosaur. I love you, you love me. Then I'm just going to add, yes, 3 teaspoons of water plus 1 teaspoon of yeast. Then mix, mix, mix. There, we're going to add there. Oops. Yeah, so as you can see, this was not like speed up unlike the first one. So as you can see, it is faster, I think. And warning also, guys, if your kids out there are watching this, please be careful doing this because hydrogen peroxide is kinda harmful if you're using higher concentration. But even though this is not that really harmful, I suggest that you should be with older person with you. So if you're like 2 years old, be with 3 years old. Just kidding. Be with your parents maybe or adult. Okay, so be careful doing this stuff. So I want you to know that I warned you because I don't want you to end up dying because of me. Okay, so please be careful. If you say, oh, nobody told me that it's dangerous, or it's kind of dangerous because Ennibo Ville was doing this, I should follow him. So I warned you already. Same with the first one. I tried to shake this also so that the concentration will be even. So as you can see, it becomes faster compared to the first one. As you can see, the foam that's going out is becoming smaller and smaller. It's like little poop going out. So for the final attempt, now how about if we will use 6% of hydrogen peroxide and increase the amount of yeast into 1 tablespoon. Let's see what will happen. So now I'm pouring the 6% hydrogen peroxide, and here I'm going to use 3 bottles. So I think it will be cooler to see. Now here I'm using 1 tablespoon of dishwashing liquid. Yeah. Here, I'm going to use red color. So I want it to be really pigmented. And also for the middle, I'm going to use yellow. There. More. And here, I'm going to use green. So I really want it to be really pigmented. Okay, so here's the first one. So I was really surprised here and I was caught off guard because the chemical reaction was so fast. There. So it's going backwards. So I wanted to face, oops, there. I wanted to face front. Also the middle part. I don't know why. They're going backwards. And here's the cooler color. It really looks like toothpaste now. It makes sense. That's why they call it toothpaste. But I don't know why. There's no elephant. Where's the elephant? There's no elephant. Just kidding. Oh, can you see? Can you see the red? The red one is so cool. Wow. Now, that's why this is satisfying. Oh, so I think like the yellow and green finished the reaction already. There's still, oh, what's in the back? Okay, there. They look like toothpaste now. And yeah, enjoy. So there is it. I think it's done. Is it done? Yeah. I'm sorry if I dub like this. So I just wanted to make it like 10-minute video. And also tell me if you want me to do like higher concentration of catalyst and also hydrogen peroxide. So I want to try like 35% of hydrogen peroxide. How about that? Will I burn my house? Will I destroy my house? So that's it for today. I hope that you enjoyed our video, and please comment down below if you would like me to do any challenge or any art related activities or DIYs maybe, because I would like to venture to that topics also for this channel. So thank you for watching, subscribe, and yes, bye bye!